Protecting our endangered species in the Philippines. I am Marbert Arplares, and today I'll be sharing my policy proposal based on Republic Act number 9147, also known as the Wildlife Resources Conservation and Protection Act. The resources I choose is our wildlife, the animals and plants that are part of our natural environment. It's super important because it keeps our ecosystem balanced, helps in food and medicine, and even support tourism. If our wildlife disappears, it will affect not just nature but also people's lives and livelihood. Why it needs help? Right now, a lot of species in the Philippines are endangered, like the Philippine eagle, tamaraw, and tarsier. Their numbers keep going down because of illegal hunting, deforestation, and wildlife trading. If we don't take action soon, these animals might go extinct. And once they are gone, we lose an important part of our identity and natural heritage. Under Republic Act number 9147, it's already illegal to hunt, collect, or sell endangered species. There are also penalties and conservation programs. But the problem is, implementation is still weak. Many people don't even know about the law. Illegal wildlife trade still happens, sometimes even online, and there are not enough trained officers to watch over protected areas. That's why I'm proposing a program called Project Wildlife with three main ideas. The number one is Community Wildlife Watch. Form a local community groups that will monitor and report illegal hunting or trading in their sea area. These groups can receive small incentives or livelihood support to encourage participation. 2. Digital Wildlife Tracking System. Use drones and GPS technology to monitor protected areas and quickly detect illegal activities. Data can be shared with authorities for faster action. 3. Youth for Wildlife Education Program. Include wildlife awareness in school and online campaigns so that students and young people can learn to care for and protect our environment. Challenges. Of course, there will be challenges like limited budget, lack of technology, and resistance from locals who rely on hunting or logging for income. To handle this, the government can partner with NGOs, private companies, and schools for funding and technical support. As an alternative livelihood programs like ecotourism or sustainable farming, so communities can still earn while protecting our nature. In summary, Project Wildlife aims to strengthen Republic Act number 9147 by combining technology, education, and community action. Protecting wildlife is not just the job of the government, it's our responsibility too. If we act now, we can save our endangered species and keep the natural beauty of the Philippines for future generations.